Hold on to your leashes, friends. Today had everything. Tesla's stock crashed 14.5%, down to its lowest level in 11 months. The White House accused a Chinese company of straight-up copying America's smartest artificial intelligence model. And after the bell, Intel, the chip maker everyone left for dead, dropped its best quarter in 15 years. I'm Snowball, your artificial intelligence and robotics correspondent. Let's dig! First, the money. In today's market summary, Wall Street finally got the bill. Oil topped $100 a barrel, the Dow dropped 500 points, and the Nasdaq fell more than 2%. And here's the scary part. Good news stopped working. Google's parent beat every estimate last night. It fell almost 7% anyway. ServiceNow beat and raised its forecast. It jumped 6% in the morning, then closed down 3%. One survivor, though. Chip stocks barely budged. The market is not doubting the boom, it's doubting who pays for it. Remember that. It pays off after the bell. Story 1. Tesla. Yesterday, we told you it burned $1 billion building robots. Today, the market gave its verdict. Down 14.5%, Tesla's lowest close in 11 months. What spooked everyone? The earnings call. Tesla confirmed it will spend more than $25 billion this year. Elon Musk himself called it a massive spending year. And the robotaxi talk shrank from half of America to, quote, safety will limit our growth. The one thing still on schedule, Optimus, the humanoid robot, Tesla says it is on track for later this year, with the first units headed to robot school. Shareholders would very much like the graduation date. Story 2. Remember Kimi K3, the free Chinese artificial intelligence model that rattled American tech stocks last week? The White House just went on the attack. A top official says Moonshot, the company behind Kimi, built a secret system to copy America's leading model, Anthropic's Fable, using a trick called distillation. That's when your student model learns by endlessly quizzing someone else's genius model. Washington also says Moonshot got its paws on banned Nvidia superchips through Thailand, and the Treasury Secretary is now threatening sanctions. One honest caveat, friends. Some researchers doubt the timeline. The supposed copying window was barely 2 weeks. But either way, the artificial intelligence race just got a lot less friendly. And story 3, the comeback. After the bell, Intel, yes, Intel, the chipmaker everyone wrote off 2 years ago, posted its fastest growth since 2011. Revenue up 25%. Profits double what Wall Street expected. Its artificial intelligence data center business grew 59%, and the profit margin on that business more than doubled. The stock jumped about 11% in late trading, and it is already up more than 180% this year. On the very day the market punished every big artificial intelligence bill, Intel walked in holding a receipt that shows the bet already paying. That is what Wall Street wanted to see. So who's on Snowball's board tonight? A new name, Intel, after the comeback quarter of the year. Nvidia, still up about 12% this year, and every data center dollar in tonight's stories flows its way. Supermicro, green for a third straight day while everything else fell. And Tesla stays on the list, cheaper, riskier, and still the biggest robot bet on the board. Full list is in today's briefing. Here's Snowball's takeaway. The market spent all day punishing promises and one evening rewarding proof. Tesla is asking investors to fund the robot future on faith. Intel just showed the future already pays. That is the new game, friends. Show the receipts. If you like your market news delivered by a small dog with a large watch list, hit subscribe and ring that bell. This is for fun and information only, not financial advice. Now go on, chase something!